Good morning, class 1. Class 1, hope you all are fine. And yesterday you have given test. So hope you have written all the answers. Okay, like that only you should give test. Now, you see, as I said you, that our 4th chapter has been completed. And we have total 7 chapters. So in the last week, chapter 1 I have done the revisions. Okay, so today I am going to do chapter 2 as a revision. So your chapter 2 is use of a computer. Okay, so chapter 2 is use of a computer. Okay children, so you see in revision we are going to do uses of a computer, that is chapter 2. Now chapter 2 already we have completed, but as our half of the syllabus is over, that's 4th chapter, so again we are doing the revisions. So those who have joined late, so they can learn very properly, and you all will go through the videos very properly as it is a revision. So it will help you to learn 2 times. Okay, already you have learned, again you will learn, so it will be very good for every one of you. Okay children, so you might be thinking at a revision why we will go, so you must go through it. Okay, your views are very less, so you see you should listen the videos and watch it. Okay children, whenever you get time, whenever your parents will give, you must look it and study all the question answers whatever has been assigned to you all. Okay, now see, so we are going to do uses of a computer. Now in uses of a computer, okay, before also I said you, so a computer has got numerous uses. Numerous means it has got several uses. Okay, today you see it has lots of uses. We can study, we can do drawing, we can play game. Okay, we can store so many information in our computers. Okay, we can write letter, we can type stories. So you see so many things we can do. We can use internet with the help of computer, and through internet we can entertain ourselves, okay, by watching movies, listening music, sending mail, okay, or through social media. Okay, so you see it has lots of benefits. Okay, so it's help you to study, it gives you entertainment, it gives you an opportunity to learn more about it. Okay, when you feel boring, you can do drawing, you can listen to the music. Okay, if suppose you want to see your favorite cartoon shows, that you can do. Okay, if you want to send a message to your friends, to your relatives, to your brothers, sisters through internet, okay, you can send messages, you can send email, receive the mail. Okay, so many things we can do with the help of computer. So these are the uses of a computer. Now we will first see the drawing. Okay children, you see with the help of a computer you can draw, you can put your colors, whichever color you like, you can draw whatever you like. You can draw an apple, a cat. Okay, so whatever you like, you can draw a house, you can draw a sky, mountain, rivers, flowers. Okay, you can put your colors and you can enjoy it. Okay, through drawing you can enjoy and you can learn. Understood? So you see drawing is also the uses of a computer, so with the help of computer. After that, okay, playing games. See children, you can play games. So not only drawing, you can play games also. Whenever you feel boring, you can play game, cricket, puzzles, okay, racing, bike racing, car racing. So many types of games are there in a computer, so that you can play if you know. Okay, if your elders will teach you, naturally you can do it, but you should not play for a long time. You should play it for a short time. Okay, so that's also can be done. This is the uses of a computer. Okay, next, you can store words, pictures and all. Okay, you can suppose you are feeling boring, you can write a paragraph about yourself. You can write a paragraph about your parents. You can write a paragraph on your school, okay, about your class teacher, about your best subject. So you can type, you can store all the informations, okay, everything. Or you want to write a story, that writing you can do. Okay, so you see, you can do lots of things. Even you can solve the sums. Okay children, you can solve sums. Okay, sometime you're feeling boring, you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, tables. Okay, by sitting in a computer you can learn all these things. Okay, so slowly you can get knowledge also, plus you can use the computer also. Okay, so you can see your calculation, how you are doing it very easily or not. Okay, whether you can do very fast or not. Next, you can play music. Okay children, see, you can play music also. Suppose you are feeling boring, okay, you have done lots of work and all, so for your entertainment you can play music. You have music systems in your home, so the same music you can play on the computer also. You know, the computer will have a speaker, so through that you can listen the music. Okay, understood? So with the help of internet you can go for your entertainment. Nowadays you see booking ticket, railway, okay, ads ticket, you want to go anywhere in flight, so that ticket can be booked. Okay, railway ticket can be booked, bus ticket can be booked, so many things. Cab you want, it means cab in a hire, that means car you want to hire it, you want to go, so that can be in a booking. Okay, so you see so many things you can do. Okay, you want to entertain yourself, you want to see something, okay, through internet, that is possible. You want to send messages to someone, suppose your birthday is there, okay, so instead of calling to anyone, you can send mail, you can invite them to come to your birthday party. Okay, so many things we can do with the help of computers. Okay, you can send messages, you can write a story. Okay, so you can type a stories, you can type a paragraph on it. So many things you can do with the help of a computer. Then, okay, you can watch your favorite movies, send messages. So I have already said you send messages, so watch movies, your favorite cartoon movies you can watch. Okay, which was like Chota Bheem you can watch, Hanuman, Spider-Man. Okay, so many are there. Okay, these all things you can watch. So these all things can be done in a computer. Okay children, so these all are the things. So you see, computer does all these things, but if you think everything computer cannot do, so these all things computer can do very properly. Okay, now you see, for example, in your refrigerator at home, in fridge, you are keeping fruits, vegetable, ice creams. Okay, why? So that it will remain cool and fresh. Can this thing done by the computer? Can you take all the fruit, vegetable and put on the computer? No, computer cannot keep it cool and fresh. So this thing computer cannot do. Okay, but these all activities, drawing, playing games, solve sums, okay, play music, watch movies, send messages, these all can be done with the help of a computer. Okay, they are the uses of the computer. But keeping cool, okay, storing the foods for a long period of time, that cannot be done with the help of a computer. Okay, so you see, computer remembers many things, but it cannot think and it cannot take any decision the way we take the decision. Oh yes, I have to do this work, computer cannot do. If suppose computer is there on the table and you have given a command, computer, today I am feeling unwell, you do my homework. Can computer do your homework? No, it is not a robot, it cannot do. Okay, you see, when you're sitting on a computer, you are opening a file, you are whatever you are doing, then only computer is reacting. But computer cannot do itself, it cannot think, it cannot take any decision by its own. Okay children, so you see they cannot take any decision by themselves. Now we're going to see places where computers are used. Now we are going to see places where computers are used. Now see, we are looking that there are different places where computers are used. Now see children, so there are different places where computers are used. Okay, so you see you can use your computer at home. At home you can use. Okay, office you can use. Did you understand? Next, hospital you can use. Okay, in bank you can use. School we can use. So there are so many places out there. Okay, railway station. Okay, railway station you can use. Restaurant. Okay, you can use in a restaurant also. So you see children, now you see places where computers are used. So computers are used at home. You can use computer at home for different purposes. Okay, you can do your homework, you can do your learning, you can do your activities. Okay, you can do your drawing, you can send messages, you can collect the messages. Okay, you can watch movies, you can watch cartoon, you can listen to music. So this thing can be done at home with the help of a computer. Next, it comes about office. Okay, in office also computers are used for different purposes, for keeping the record of official matter, sending mail, okay, business mail, receiving business mail, inquiring about the business. So these all things can be done, all the work in an office are done with the help of your computers. Next, hospitals. You know children, hospital is a place where when we are sick, for the treatment we go to a hospital. It's a place where treatment is given when people are sick or ill. Okay, so you see in hospital also doctors are using a computer for the treatment nowadays. They use a computer to keep the record of the patients. Okay, when they are admitted, if suppose any hospital has conducted any operation, so that record, which type of medicine is given, that all records are kept. Okay, so you see how many days that particular patient stayed in a hospital, when he got or she got recovered. Okay, when they went, which date, which time. So everything is mentioned in a computer which are present in the hospitals. Okay, doctor uses computer, okay, for performing different activity in the hospital, for doing operations. Very critical operations are done with the help of a computers, advanced computer nowadays. Okay, so you see many things can be done with the help of a computers. Okay, so you see even it keeps the record of the medicines, how many medicine are available in the hospital. Okay, so you see these all things are done with the help of computer which are available in hospitals. Okay, so today diagnosing, okay, to see whether what type of disease it has. So everything can be done with the help of computer in hospital. Next is bank. So you know bank is a place where we deposit and withdraw our money. So in bank also, if you suppose sometime you may went with your parents, you might have seen the computer are there. Okay, so bank workers, they keep a computer, keep the record how many transaction has been done, how many type of customers are there, what type of account they have. So every record they maintain in a computers. Okay, next is schooling. So you see computers are there in school for giving education to the children. We provide education and training to the students. Okay, in school, computers are there to keep the record of the fee, number of student, examination conducted. So everything are done with the help of a computers. Railway stations. So in railway stations, computers are used for giving tickets. Arrival of train, departure of the train are recorded in the computers. Okay, inquiry sections. You can go and inquire when this particular train is coming. So they will look in the computer and they will give you, yeah, this particular train will come in this time. Okay, so all informations are given with the help of computer. Next, restaurant. You see children, when you go to restaurant, in restaurant also, okay, when you order anything, those records are in computer. When you pay, okay, the bill, it comes out from a computer. So you see, these are the places where computers are used. Okay, home, office, hospital, bank, school, railway station, and restaurant. So they are different places nowadays. Wherever you go, computers become very important. Okay, so this was your revisions of your chapter 2. Okay children, so everyone must watch it, okay, and learn at your homes and listen to your parents. Okay children, and stay safe. Thank you.